This question appeared on the test I produced last year, and it looks at plotting a linear relation or creating a linear relation and then plotting it over a restricted range. So first of all, let's actually develop the equation. So we've got Daniel cleaning his fish tank, and it's already got 400 litres in it. He's draining the water out of it using a pump that removes the water at a rate of 25 litres per minute. So anytime I see this, I know that this is the value that varies because the amount of minutes will depend on how many litres are drained. That means that generally speaking, this other part is the constant. Okay, so let's write it up. Okay, so we write it in the form y equals. So basically he's already got 400 litres in the tank, so we write that out first. From that he's subtracting water at a rate of 25 litres per minute. Now the number of minutes he does this for, we're not too sure, so we let it be equal to x. And that is the linear relation. Y equals 400 take away 25x. Now we'll plot this. And the thing that they want us to do, or I wanted the girls to do last year, was to plot this over a range of 0 to 16. So the values 0 through to 16 for the number of minutes. Now note the variables used. Okay, in writing it up, I've used y and x. Okay, and they've used the variables w and m. That's fine, doesn't make a difference. Okay, so we go to graphs and tab and we write in our function y equals 400 take away 25x. Now the big thing here that we'll do is we'll restrict the domain straight away. So pull up the soft keyboard and go to option and use this button here, the pipe button, and we type in 0 and we'll use a less than and equal to, and they've used m, but we know that our variable for minutes was x, so we'll use x and less than and equal to 16. Okay, we'll check the box and we'll hit graph. Now that's fantastic, not a lot happened there, and the reason we can't see it is because our screen and the range of the y and x axes is far too small. So we know straight away that I was going to have a y-intercept of 400 in this. So let's do zoom and auto. That basically pulls up or zooms out to automatically fit the graph, but we need to pull out a little bit further, so we'll zoom out a little bit more and maybe zoom out a little bit more. Okay, now we've got the whole graph plotted. That's plotted over that, and it basically means that if he is cleaning his fish tank out, starts with 400 litres in it, and if it drains over the course of 16 minutes, at the end of 16 minutes he'll have 0 water left in this tank.